Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 579 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops that I have in the shade Trust Fund, and this was part of my August Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. But here it is, and I am so excited about this. It looks so beautiful. But what I'm really excited about is that there are so many different uses for a product like this. So I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of different ways of using it today, and I'm really excited to see how it will perform. So right now I have no makeup on my face, but what I'm planning to do is mix a couple drops of this in with my foundation, apply that, and then I'm also going to apply it as just a straight up highlighter, not mixed in with anything else, and see how that looks on the skin. And I want to try just mixing this in with some body lotion and applying it to my body and seeing how it gives a glow, because that's one of my favorite kind of body highlighting techniques, is just to mix in a liquid highlighter with my body lotion. But I've just been using those Cover FX drops, and I just have like a tiny little sample, so it's basically gone. And if this could be my replacement for that, then I will be very excited. So this full-size product here retails for $26, but like I said, I got it in my August Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and so that alone is it $20? $25? But so I got such a good deal because I got this along with all those other products. I will say Ipsy just kind of threw a lot at us recently, where they're changing the price on the monthly Glam Bag. They're changing up the Glam Bag Plus by, I think, giving you a bonus bag now. They also added in a third tier of subscription. But so this next month in September, I'll be getting the new versions of the bag, seeing how that goes. So I'm excited about it, but also bummed that the price went up. So I mean, we'll look forward to that in future videos. But so let's get into this product here. It has a dropper, which is great. Let me just start out by taking the tiniest little dot to swatch it. That is so pretty, very bright and reflective. It has good pigment, but you can see that tiny dot, I'm able to blend it out basically all over my entire hand in this pretty gold Trust Fund shade. Almost kind of matches my skin tone when it's blended out. So actually, I'm glad I did that little swatch test, because I feel like this isn't too crazy metallic blinding that I couldn't just apply it plain to like my collarbones or my shoulder. Yeah, like I don't even think that needs to be mixed with any body lotion for the body. But if I was applying it all over my entire legs, I would mix it in with body lotion just to make sure that the product goes further. I can't just be using up the entire bottle on my legs alone. But for focused areas like the shoulders and the collarbone, I'm actually just going to apply this alone. And this also looks like it'll give beautiful glow with the foundation. So let me start by doing that. I'm just taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation. I really do. I'm just gonna apply it to the same hand that I already have the product on, since I'm mixing it in with the highlighter anyways. But I love this foundation. If you want to see my dedicated review on this foundation, I will have that video linked down below. But so I just took about a pump and a half onto the back of my hand, and then I'm going to add, the instructions say 2 to 3 drops, so that's a pretty big drop. So just adding that, and then I'm going to just mix them together. For the fun of it, I'm going to add in one more small drop. Okay. And so then it's pretty quick and easy to just blend the two products together. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it and start blending it out with my new AOA Studio Mochi Wonder sponge here that I have been loving. Ever since I reviewed this a few days ago, I've used it for any time I've been applying makeup products that need a sponge. So if you haven't seen my review on this sponge yet, I will have that linked down below because I highly recommend this sponge. It's less than $2 and it's so good. So you can see the foundation shade color isn't altered at all. And even though I did add quite a bit of the highlighter to the foundation, it's not looking overly metallic or Tin Man effect. The product is still blending out beautifully, the same as it does without the added shimmer highlighter. Like the product's all looking even. And wow, there is definitely glow and dewiness. Like there's already highlighting effect going on my skin right now. So this definitely added radiance, dewiness to the foundation. It doesn't look shimmery, sparkly. It really does just look dewy. So that really worked nicely. Next step, I'm going to use this as a highlighter. So I'm just going to take little bits and apply it. I'm just going to apply it with my finger and see how that works out and dab it onto these high points of my face. All right. I am definitely going for a very glowy look today. Okay, I'm gonna take my sponge and just finish blending this into the skin. It actually is looking really good on top of the foundation. Sometimes these liquid highlighters, when you apply them on top of the foundation, they can tend to move the foundation or just not sit very nicely. But this is not doing that at all, which I was a little bit worried about that. So I'm just picking up a little bit more with my sponge and building it up. This is buildable, so you could leave it as just like a glow, or you can make it intense. Another great highlighting technique is to apply your liquid highlighter and then a powder highlighter on top, and that will really make a pop-in highlight. And I'm also glad that this is not drying down too quickly, because I've tried out those liquid highlighters that you place them on and you have to blend them out so fast before they dry down and look uneven. But luckily this highlighter gives you enough time to fully blend it. And it's really looking nice on top of the makeup. Looking glowy but even. Like, wow. I feel like this is really giving that glass skin effect with the highlighter mixed into the foundation and then the highlighter on top. So here is the finished highlighted glowing complexion, and I'm really happy with how this looks. I feel like it's giving that kind of ideal, youthful, dewy radiance to my skin that's so on trend right now. But let's see how this does at also being that kind of strobing, highlighting body effect. So I'm just going to, ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, I don't know how well this will show up on camera, but really easy to just blend out. but it really does leave beautiful shimmer on the skin, but it doesn't have like big glitter to it. So I feel like this is the perfect amount of shimmer. So it's subtle enough, but also has that glow. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit to the shoulder. I'll just do it to one shoulder so we can see the difference. See that? Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love that glowing skin trend. I'm probably gonna go through this highlighter so quickly, just applying it all over my skin because I love how that looks. Okay, there's that shoulder with the highlighter versus the shoulder without it. So it really does catch the light in such a pretty way. The difference. So I'm really excited about how this product performed in all the uses. So such gorgeous glow with the foundation. It really did a great job of highlighting on its own and highlighting the body as well. So if you are looking for a product that will do any of that, this is a great one to try. But if you have already tried this out, I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite uses are for it. I feel like I can't stop looking at myself in the monitor here at how reflective and glowy my skin is, because my skin never looks this dewy and radiant. So this product really transformed my skin and I'm so excited about it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.